guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this week's episode is easy shawarma with pancakes. Yeah, so what you are gonna need with is pancakes, ready-made pancakes, as you can see, and also some salt for your sauce, and also the chili pepper and curry. So I'm gonna show you guys how I cut all this. So let's just talk about the ingredients. And I need eggs because I love the taste of eggs, and of course sausage. Alright guys, I would say this is my recipe, but it's so delicious, so I wanted to just share with you guys. So that is some mayonnaise and onions and green pepper, and also of course you need some coconut oil for frying. So guys, I want to show you guys how I cut my carrot. You might want to cut it slimmer. Yes, you can see in the video, and also your cabbage. Yeah, it has to be. Yeah, this is how I want to cut mine, but of course you can cut yours the way you do. Just the key is just to have these two ingredients in your shawarma, and of course the onions. Yeah, it's important. And also I added some garlic and ginger. I fried them together, but then let's just watch how I cut them, so you guys know how you can cut yours too. So this is my green pepper, guys, so you can take as much as you want. First, so now it's back to mixing. I mixed the cabbage and the carrots together, and added some ketchup. Yeah, I love the taste of ketchup in it. And then I added some mayonnaise. You want to make sure you mix it so well so it sticks together. Add some oil. Add your onions, your green pepper. So then I put some cubes, some Maggi cubes together. And then your salt. Yes, your pepper. Alright guys, just watch the video and you understand. It's well explanatory, and let's just enjoy. And then to my sausage. You can leave the sausage too long, or you can cut like mine, but I love it this way. I love it when it's smaller and like in bowl shapes. Then I added eggs. Yeah. You have to turn this so well to make sure the oil dries out completely. One thing I like my recipe is that I add my fried stuff to the ready mixed cabbage and carrots. So you have to mix them so well together. So now this is my pancake and my flour. Trust me guys, this tastes really amazing. Just fill it in and just roll it out. That's it. That's basically it. So easy. You can even eat like this, or you can just bake for like maybe 10 to 15 minutes, and that's it guys. So your baking should just be low heat. Yeah, mine was high because I couldn't wait. So here is the result guys. It's yummy, trust me. I wish you can open it inside, but you can. See you in my next video.